In front of me is Asus ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. Now to pin it, you need to hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to disable it, click on this switcher next to Clipboard at the top right corner again. And if you wish to delete anything from your clipboard, just hold the chosen text and hit delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!